Hi there, my name is Dylan, and today I'm going to explain to you why x divided by 0 is infinity. And just in case you don't know, x is a term used by mathematicians to represent a number that we don't know. So we don't know what x is. It could be anything. We don't know what its value is. But for now, let's just say that x equals 5. Just for the moment, x is going to be 5, okay? So what we can do now is let's see what... So let's find out what 5 divided by 1,000 equals. And that's got to be a really small number. In fact, the answer is 5 1,000. Makes sense, right? Good. So let's move on to 5 divided by 100. Now, seeing how the last problem went, this should be pretty obvious. It's going to be 5 100. Now, let's move on to 5 divided by 10. And you must be wondering why I'm doing so easy questions, and I'll explain later why these are so obvious. So this is going to be 5/10, which also happens to be 1/2, but we can forget about that. So right now, we just want to think of it as 5/10, okay? Let's move on to 5 divided by 5. How easy is that? It's going to be 5 over 5, which also equals 1, but still we can't forget about that it's 1. Let's just think of it as 5 divided by 5, because it's going to be easier for you to understand why if we just keep with these. So now let's try 5 divided by 2. 5 divided by 2 is going to be 5 over 2. And finally, let's do 5 over 1 equals 5 over 1. And so for some of these improper fractions, we're going to have to figure out what their values are. So 5 over 2 is 2.5. And 5 over 1, it's 5. So you'll notice that as our denominators are getting less, the number is getting higher. And that can only mean one thing. 5 divided by 0 equals infinity. Thank you for watching.